Hey, what's up, traders? To watch this video for Wednesday, November 27th. Keep in mind, it's a full day, but I think it's going to be dead when we get into the afternoon. I think we are going to do a live mentoring session for our students in chat at 1 o'clock tomorrow. But I think it's going to be a less formal one than usual, and who knows, maybe even some pre-holiday cocktails. So anyway, showing you the SPY, another new all-time high today. What are we watching for tomorrow? I'm going to try to breeze through this real quick, so I'm running late tonight. Best Buy, big breakout today, BBY. I'm going to show you, if you didn't see my Twitter video today, called this long on an inside fives. There's your big gap up. There's your inside fives. Called it long over 78.40. If it takes out this candle's high, the thinking is we're going to light up the new high of day ticker and short's going to start covering. And that's exactly what happened. It's a very, very simple setup. We're also going to be watching DKS tomorrow. There's the daily. Another breakout, just like Best Buy, and another inside fives call. And this one was even, to me, more powerful because you had the inside 5-minute candle that topped out at exactly the half, exactly 44.50, still with the high of day above, just a dime above. So now we've got a half number inflection point with a catalyst a dime above. You get to, light up the new high of day ticker and shorts cover there too. That was a big day. Called both of those before they triggered, both of them as an inside fives idea, which just means the break for 1 penny above this second 5-minute candle. And again, I like DKS more than Best Buy, just simply because you also had the half number inflection point, high of day just above. So anyway, watching both of those for a continuation play tomorrow. NTNX gapped up on strong volume, closing below its open, but still worth watching. KERN had a huge intraday move today, but closed well off of its highs. Again, another nice volume day. We still want to watch that one for tomorrow. It's been a pretty nice mover. Pier 1, PIR, very thin stock, 352,000 traded today. But it had this really nice run from like 4 to 14 back here, came back down, attempted a pop here, topping out at 898, and today took that out, going to almost 950. Still, note, it's a thin stock. It is a thin stock, so I doubt I'll be trading it, but who knows. KRTX just goes back on bounce watch, no triggers in it today. I'm not even sure if I had it on the watch list for today, but I do like it now because, you had this move all the way up to 150, and now it's like a week later. It's been cut in half from there. It's gotten down to the 8-day moving average. Right in this area is what kind of the middle of our buy zone for you students. So certainly worth putting on bounce watch for tomorrow, only with a proper intraday setup. SRNE had the big breakout yesterday. Quiet inside day today. I like it over today's high over 311, which almost looks like that inside fives I showed you, right? Only this is a daily candle instead. I do like this over 311 with yesterday's high being 319 just above. A few more. Fuel cells still on watch. You had this nice move up to a buck here, hit a buck back here. You got this 4 or 5 months, 4 or 5 months, cup and handle where it hit a buck, and now really kind of, coiling. Now if this rolls over next week, then who cares? Just take it off my watch list. But I still think it might break out of this coil, and if it does get back to $1, I kind of suspect it might rip through it this time too. So even though it's kind of gone into obscurity the last few days, no trades in it or anything, it's still worth watching. It's a nice daily chart formation, right? What do we have here? Oh, HEPA. As this one got near the close, I actually called this one in chat for those of you that were there, kind of on this flag break here, this area, almost a Tokyo call. And as we got closer to the close, I was on the mic and maybe typed in chat as well. This looks like one that might run in after hours because you always want to look at what the chart's going to look like. When you get near the closing bell, you can look at the daily chart and you get a good idea what it's going to look like. And this is a powerful looking chart. You had this gap up here that got slapped back down. Same thing here. And next thing you know, shorts are in trouble, right? It's up above the high of this gap up day. You got another possible catalyst here. And lo and behold, I was right because it went to almost 6 in after hours. Those are worth, to me, holding a few into the close, and then I usually try to sell them in after hours. But anyway, long story short, this is a chart primed for possibly continuation of the squeeze. So we'll see. Well, I don't know where it's going to open tomorrow, but certainly goes on watch. And then lastly, FFHL. Nothing interesting about this chart at all, but in after hours, they had earnings and it went up over $5. It looks like it ended after hours around 476. So right about there. Certainly going to be a potential gap and go tomorrow. And I'm going to leave it at that. Teamwork's been great. We'll see you all in chat tomorrow.